So a dish that says this is the Ritz, I think you have to first look at what do we do when we come up with a dish. I think for me, seasonality is obviously super important. The product we're getting should be the best quality that we can get. So I think a dish on the menu at the moment is the Dorset Crab. So we have a beautiful Dorset Crab, a large cock crab from our supplier Portland. We simply cook that in a very seasoned court bouillon, so it almost replicates seawater, brings out the sweetness of the crab. It's very simply bound with crème fraîche, lemon, black pepper and salt, just to keep it very clean. You still taste that. We make a beautiful jelly out of fresh apple, Granny Smith apple, grape and fennel, and we top that, of course, with some fantastic caviar from our King's Caviar. He's been supplying caviar to the Ritz since I've been here for sure, and I'm sure some time before that. It's served with a little Caviar dressing. And then on the side we make just a little English crumpet, which we brush with a little bit of brown crab butter. So we take all the head meat from the crab, we mix that with some butter, brush that with that. A little bit of white meat, which is dressed with some brown crab, and then a little nest of fried kombu on the top. And I just think that it just sums up kind of what it's about. It's elegant, it's based in classic cooking techniques still, and it kind of lets the product sing with that little bit of with luxury with the caviar on there as well. And yeah, for me that's one of my favourite dishes at the moment. Our Dorset Crab, Crème Fraiche and Imperial Caviar. It's not my forte, but we have a fantastic pastry team here. Obviously we're doing afternoon tea and everything. There's a big team of pastry chefs, and Lewis has been here for 15 years, the executive pastry chef here, and he's fantastic. I think a classic Ritz dish would be the chocolate soufflé with vanilla chantilly. It's a classic soufflé base. You can't really go wrong with it. A little chocolate disc on top just as an extra indulgence, and then you have the chantilly cream with plenty of Madagascar vanilla inside. And for me, it's just a showstopper. When that comes in the room, you can smell it first, then you see it, and it's risen in the beautiful silver mold. For me, there's no other better dessert to end on. A chocolate soufflé with vanilla chantilly.